Here's some cool trivia for you. The magnetic field is constantly moving. In fact, the magnetic North Pole shifts by around 10 kilometers every year. It extends way out into space, forming what scientists call the magnetosphere, which helps protect our atmosphere from being stripped away by solar winds. And get this, auroras like the Northern Lights are actually the result of the magnetic field interacting with solar particles. So without it, no more stunning light shows in the sky. So, while the idea of losing the Earth's magnetic field might sound terrifying, the good news is it's not going anywhere anytime soon. But it's pretty cool to think about how much this invisible force does for us every single day, isn't it? What do you think would happen if we had to live without the magnetic field? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed learning about this wild what-if scenario, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating science breakdowns. See you next time. Have you ever thought about what's protecting us from the full fury of the sun? An invisible force that shields the entire planet, and most of us barely think about it. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial and mysterious elements of our planet, the Earth's magnetic field. But what if it suddenly disappeared? The Earth's magnetic field is generated by molten iron swirling around in the outer core of the planet. Think of it like a giant invisible shield that stretches thousands of miles into space. It protects us from solar winds and cosmic radiation that would otherwise make life on Earth a whole lot more dangerous. Without this protective shield, the Earth would be bombarded by high-energy particles from the sun. And we're not just talking about sunburn here. Things could get a little intense. So what if the magnetic field just vanished? First off, without it, solar winds could slowly strip away the atmosphere, much like what happened on Mars. This would lead to a massive increase in harmful radiation reaching the Earth's surface. Over time, this could cause major health problems, like increased cancer rates and severe sunburns. Animals that rely on the magnetic field for navigation, like birds, whales, and even turtles, would be completely disoriented. Imagine the chaos of migratory animals losing their natural GPS. Could humanity survive if the magnetic field disappeared? Well, technically yes, if we took some serious precautions. We'd need advanced technology to shield ourselves from the radiation, or even move underground to stay safe. It sounds like a sci-fi movie, but some scientists are already thinking about how we could protect ourselves if the magnetic field weakens further. And it's not just wildlife that would be thrown off. Our technology depends on the magnetic field too. GPS systems, satellites, and even power grids would struggle without it. We're talking potential blackouts, communication breakdowns, and general technological mayhem. So, you might want to grab a few candles just in case. Could humanity survive if the magnetic field disappeared? Well, technically yes, if we took some serious precautions. We'd need advanced technology to shield ourselves from the radiation, or even move underground to stay safe. It sounds like a sci-fi movie, but some scientists are already thinking about how we could protect ourselves if the magnetic field weakens further. But don't panic just yet. The chances of the magnetic field completely disappearing overnight are slim to none. It's more likely that it would gradually weaken over thousands of years. Here's something even wilder. The Earth's magnetic poles have flipped many times in the past, and they might do it again. A magnetic reversal doesn't mean we'll lose the field entirely, but it could weaken temporarily, causing some of the same issues we've been talking about. Here's some cool trivia for you.